Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your dual level cargo floor in the 2022 Kia Soul. I have in front of me here a GT Line Limited in Inferno Red. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the cargo area. Open the hatch here. And you'll see right now the cargo floor is at its regular height. And you can lift up on it and take a look underneath and you get some kind of under storage area. And yes, this does come with a spare tire. So in the meantime, you can fill it up with anything you want to put under there. If you want to gain a little extra valuable height in the cargo area, we can lift up on the floor, and I could even do it one-handed. It slides out and I'm just going to slide it back in, but down in it. So now you're going to gain some much needed height in the cargo area here. To see from both sides. And then to bring it back to the normal level, we're just going to pick up the floor again, pull it back, place it on the top, slide it up, and now it's back to the regular level. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.